Hey you guys, I'm just heading to the shop. I'm going to make some videos on the Mustang. I just wanted you guys to see how cold it was out here. Look at that, minus 13. We're just getting to the shop. It is very cold this morning. Hey, minus 13, I don't know what that is. I'll have to look in Fahrenheit. Must be around 0 or something like that. Alright. Let's go in here and see what we got going on, what we're working on, what we're doing on that car today. Alright, let's go and see what's going on. Chilly this morning, very chilly, very cold. Still working on this, getting it ready. I'm gonna do a compound and a wax. I haven't done that yet. Working on the seats. Seats are looking good. Just trying to get them cleaned up. Got the carpets done. Got the carpets done. See, we're working on that. The carpet's coming out really nice. See, we're working on the seats. I don't know if you guys can tell. See, I put this line here so you can see we started on this side. We have this side left to do. Coming along, cleaning up all the dash. Everything is starting to look good, the dash. I don't know if we can see. We'll look here. I don't know if we can see a difference from one side to the other. So as I said, you guys, as we're going along, I'll show you guys what we're doing. As we go along with the car, getting it all ready. Like I said, it's our fun project for the winter. Alright, I'll continue filming as we get going, as we can continue going on this. Alright you guys, I'm going to take the wheel off here. I'm going to look at the brakes, going to look and see if all the brakes are original. Because this car, everything seems to be original, so we'll go through it, we'll look at the brakes, see if they're original. Let me get the last nut off here, and the last nut that I've taken off is a locking nut. This must have been some kind of a little option or something that they would sell. See? That they would sell, you know, like today they sell you their 4 locking nuts for $100. Maybe back in the day it was $50 for the 4. It's pretty rare to see original 1992 locking nuts. Alright, let's get this wheel off here and see what it says. Original tires. They're not original, they're 2009 coated, but they're brand new. So I guess you could say new old tires, 13 years old. Well, 2009. So I don't know what year you're going to be looking at this video, but that's what it is. Alright, if we're going through the brakes here, we're looking at this. We'll look at the pads, we'll look at the brakes. I'm sure the disc. We're going to look, see if the disc, maybe if they have a Ford stamping on them. Because most likely this is all new with 12,000 miles. We'll go through, we'll look at all the shocks, we'll look at the coil springs, we'll go through everything in here. So we'll get cleaning that up, making it look good. I'll get back here to the wheel. Original disc, original pads. We just looked at them. We got some numbers on here. Where did I see? I had some numbers. Right here. I don't know if the camera's picking that up. Original numbers right there. I'm gonna go look underneath. Bushings. Look at that. Brand new. I'll show you a couple stamps underneath that I saw. We got one right there. Looks like a motor mount. It's got a stamp. Rack and pinion. Got a stamp. Got numbers there. Got a green stamp right there. Can you see that? No oil leaks, oil pan's nice and dry. I think coil spring still has a sticker on it. Yeah, look, coil spring still has a sticker right there. You see that sticker? Alright, we'll continue looking around. You can see right here, oh, the camera's getting that. You got the motor craft with the part number right there. Look at that. We'll go look at the paint on the back. Or we're just starting to shine it up. I don't know if you can see. We didn't do this part right here. This part we didn't do, but this part we did. We're just doing a light compound, very light compound on it. I don't know if the camera can pick that up because it's really not much. You can see right there. Looks really good. Alright, I'll continue going. I'll show you guys some more as we get it done. Put the wheel back on. I'll throw the wheel back on. Let's look at the wheel. I'm gonna get this wheel here. Look how nice that wheel is. I just cleaned it up a bit. Look at that. Get your part numbers. Not a scratch, nothing. The cap too, nothing. Just like new. Look at the inside of that wheel. Isn't that nice? Hard to believe it's 30 years old. I guess this is just a little weight they put back in the day. Got your part number right there. I don't know if the camera's catching that. Your Ford logo right there. The size of your wheel, 15 by 7 by 22.4. Look at that. Gonna put it back on. Let's get it on. Look at that. Just like new. All right. We're still waxing. We're still doing the compound. As you can see we still have the product here. Is it coming off on the rag? Let me see on the rag. Yeah, look at that. Original paint. Don't know if it's ever even been waxed, but we'll do a nice little job. Starting to get, we're going to do a nice wax and a nice glaze. You can see here there's a haze on it. We'll just put the rag over it. Hard to see. Looking good though, looking good. Alright, we'll continue. I'll continue showing you guys when we have stuff. As we're going, make a little video. Don't forget, you guys, stuff you want to see, you have to let us know. If you don't let us know, we'll never know. So if you want to see, like, you know, like the stamps, the all that stuff, the inspection stamps, you know, like that one that's right there, the one that's there, we got one right there. There's some all over this car, underneath the car, everywhere there's some. So just let us know in the comments. Don't forget to share and like. Okay.